Number 3 is Epson EcoTank ET-2720 all-in-one printer. The Epson EcoTank ET-2720 is the ultimate choice for waterslide printing. With its vibrant colors and superior performance, this wireless all-in-one super tank printer is a game-changer. Say goodbye to the hassle of cartridge replacements, as it offers cartridge-free printing with its easy-to-fill, super-sized ink tanks. Imagine the freedom of up to 2 years of ink included or with each replacement ink set. That means endless creative possibilities without worrying about running out of ink. Each replacement ink bottle set can print up to 4,500 pages, equivalent to around 80 individual cartridges. Not only does the EcoTank ET-2720 save you up to 90% on ink costs, but it also reduces waste. The low-cost replacement ink bottles are a cost-effective alternative to traditional cartridges. And let's remember convenience. This premium white printer offers wireless printing from tablets and smartphones, allowing you to unleash your creativity anywhere in your home or office. With its 2-year limited warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing that Epson stands behind the quality of its product. If you want to purchase this best printer, the link is given in the description box.